Students, today we are going to study the further topic of energy flow in an ecosystem. Today we are going to learn nitrogen cycle. In this slide you can see that nitrogen forms 78%, that is maximum portion of atmosphere. The circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas into the form of different compounds through various biotic and abiotic process in nature is called as a nitrogen cycle. So in this slide you can see that nitrogen flows from biotic and abiotic process. Now today we will also study how nitrogen cycle process goes on in the nature. First one is nitrogen fixation, second step is nitrogen assimilation, third step is ammonification, fourth step is nitrification, and fifth step is denitrification, and the last step is called as an sedimentation. Out of these 6 steps, there are 4 main steps which we are going to study. Out of these 4 main steps, first one is nitrogen fixation, second one we are going to see the ammonification, third one nitrification, fourth one denitrification. So in these 4 steps we will study how nitrogen flows in our earth or how nitrogen cycle gets completed. Nitrogen is an important essential element for both plants and animals, but nitrogen cannot be taken directly from the atmosphere by plants, so it has to be converted into useful form by fixation. Now, important process in nitrogen fixation is carried out by 2 ways, biological and physical. So in this slide we will see how by biological process plants fix nitrogen. Some symbiotic bacteria such as rhizobium can be seen on roots of leguminous plants. This rhizobium will fix the atmospheric nitrogen and it will convert it into organic nitrogen. Now there are certain other bacteria also which are free living such as azotobacter. So in one way nitrogen fixation is done by biological method. Next one is physical process. So nitrogen fixation, as I have told you, it takes place by 2 ways, biological and physical. Now let's study what is the physical process. Nitrogen combines with oxygen during lightning or electrical discharge. Means during rainy season when there is a thunderstorm or lightning, then what will happen? Nitrogen will combine with the oxygen and it is going to produce nitrogen oxide. This nitrogen oxide dissolves in rainwater and it reaches the earth. While reaching on the earth, it gets converted into mineral compound, that is nitrates and nitrogen compounds. Then in this slide you will see dead animal, and this step will be called as an ammonification. Now what is ammonification? When plants and animals die, then certain microbes such as Actinomycetes release ammonia into the atmosphere, and also living organisms from their excreta, they also release ammonia. So ammonia is released into the atmosphere and this step will be called as an ammonification. Now the next step is nitrification. The ammonia in the soil through nitrosomonas and nitrobacter gets converted into nitrates and this is called as an nitrification. Finally, the last step, that is called as an denitrification. Denitrification is the reduction of nitrates back into the atmospheric nitrogen and this process will be called as an denitrification, as it is done with the help of bacteria such as Thiobacillus denitrificants. So in this way, we have studied the process of nitrogen cycle. So at the last, we can say nitrogen cycle is completed with the four main process, that is nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. And this cyclic flow of nitrogen will be called as a nitrogen cycle.